Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Mom's Little World. Today, we are going to read a story called Farida Plans a Feast. So, this book is from Pratham Books, and the author is Megam Dobson Sippy, and the illustrator is Jayesh Sivan. Okay, so you want to go inside the story? Okay, that's great. Okay, so whenever you are reading a book, just know the author and illustrator as well. Okay. Okay, first we are going to read a story about this little girl called Farida. Okay, this cute little girl is wearing a red color dress and a yellow color skirt. Okay, she is going to do something and we are going to watch her what she is going to do. Okay? Okay, let's start. So, Farida goes for a walk every evening. She takes an empty tiffin box and a big water bottle. So, where she is going, we have to find it. But yeah, every evening she goes for a walk by having a tiffin box and a big water bottle. First stop, her kitchen. Can I have some uncooked rice, please? She is getting some uncooked rice from her parents. So, next, two skips to the vegetable cart. How many squash tomatoes can I take today? And she is getting some squash tomatoes from the vegetable seller. Three hops to the tea stall. Any broken biscuits? So after that, she is going to the tea stall and getting some biscuits. Four jumps to the beach. I hope you kept the smelliest fish for me. And then she is going to the beach and getting some smelliest fish. Five leaps to the potter's shop. Did you save me the chip bowls? And then she goes to the potter's shop and asking for some chip bowls. Finally, she got some items. What are those items? They are uncooked rice, squashed tomatoes, broken biscuits, smelly fish, and chip bowls. What she is going to do? What is Farida planning? You want to know what she is planning? Even I'm more excited to see what she is planning. What is Farida planning? And she gave all the smelliest fishes to the cats. A meal for the cats. And she kept some water also in the bowl, right? Yeah. After that, she gave the broken biscuits to the street dogs. Oof, oof. Snacks for the dogs. And the squash tomatoes for the crows. Ka, ka. Treats for the crows. After that, she gave the uncooked rice to the sparrow. Cheep, cheep. Dinner for the sparrows. There is nothing left in the tiffin box because she gave the smelliest fishes to the cats, broken biscuits to the dog, and squashed tomatoes to the crows. And after that, she gave the uncooked rice to the sparrows, and she kept some bowl of water also to all the animals and the birds. Until tomorrow, there is nothing in the tiffin box. It is empty because she gave everything. Okay, so there is some note when you plan to feed the street dogs, animals, and the sparrows, and I'm going to tell you the same. So whenever you find time, just ask your parents and go and feed the sparrows, street dogs, and everything. But be with your parents, okay? A note on feeding neighborhood animals. If you decide to share food with animals who live near your home, you need to think about some things. What does you have to think about? Let's see. Ask yourself if you can feed animals over a long stretch of time. Choose an open space away from other people's homes because it will be more disturbing, right, for other people. So you have to find a open space. Try to feed them at the same time every day. Feeding just once a day will help street animals keep the ability to hunt for their own food. If you are going to take care of animals, make sure that they are healthy. Call the local animal hospital to give them vaccinations. Some animals and birds such as pigeons, monkeys or mice can become pests because of feeding, so do not feed them. Water is just as important as food, especially in the summer. A clay pot will help keep the water cool. Avoid oily, salty, sweet or spicy foods with thanks to the welfare of stray dogs. Okay, that's it. We came to end of the story. Hope you all enjoyed the story. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, have a good day. Thank you so much for watching and ask your parents to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.